Alright, I just got my next fan, the 92mm fan. This is what it looks like. This one right here, I believe is the RGB color power one. And this just plugs into the motherboard. Yeah, right here. This is what the box looks like. I already opened it, so that's why it looks all messed up like this. But this is what it looks like. I've seen videos on it on YouTube already, so that's why I chose this one. It had the best details. Gives you the screws as well. This is the right there. That's what it's called. It says something different on the thing. I don't know why. The 92 Slim. But I'm gonna get in the PC now. I'm gonna be also using this as well. Alright, I unplugged everything. Gonna unscrew it now. Just the back. All 4 of these screws. It's kind of warm over here since I just had it running a few games for about an hour. It did say this was a slim one, so hopefully it fits the same. As long as it's the same size, it should be cool. Alright, got it off now. So I gotta unplug it. Right over there. Right. Okay, they are the same size. This one just very smaller. This one had less fans. I mean, not fans, but wings on there, whatever you would call it. This one has way more. So it should just fit right in that area perfectly, and it does. Alright, first now I want to put this in here. Unplug that. Alright. Now this one right here, I'm just put it towards this one. Okay, that's a CPU. I'm gonna just let that hang right there. And I'm gonna mount this fan. Okay, got it mounted. Now I'm gonna start putting the stuff in. This one's gonna run to over here, right where that pins are at. We just have to run it up here like that for now. And with this one, I'm gonna just have to figure another way out for that one. But I don't think I need to use this one right here. No, I think it's just this one. I can just connect it. Like this. I think you're supposed to have the arrows matching up as well, where they facing each other. Then gave me this as an extra piece. Not really sure what I could use it for, but it's probably just another way to plug it into the motherboard, whatever type of setup you have. Alright, I'm gonna try to figure out the cord management for the splitter. and these wires. Alright, so I got it working. That's how it looks. So basically it's synchronized to the CPU cooler, which is right there. So whatever I do on the cooler, the CPU cooler fan, is gonna be on the same one in the back, and so on for that top one. If I did get a RGB fan for that one, but it's pretty bright. It's coming out the back as well. I really recommend it as well. The fastest it go is, I think so in the box it was 2500. Let's test it out now. Let's see. Exhaust. So yeah, on mine is about 2600. 2500 to 2800. It's not really stable, but it's a lot of air still coming out, just like before. This is a pretty good fan to get. For the price, it was like $14. It was a little more expensive than this fan right there, but for the size, I think it was worth it. I'm not really sure if they sell sizes of those type of fans that often.